Hello from Bush Support. In this video, we will show you how to do cleaning and maintenance on a Bush Fridge Freezer Water Dispenser. If you notice water residue around the water dispenser, you may have debris around the seals that need removing. Debris around the seals can cause water to leak through the dispenser, even when not pressing a glass against the lever. Debris can build up over time during normal day-to-day use. To check the seals for debris, lift the water tank away from the door. Next, remove the nozzle by firmly pulling the nozzle away from the water tank. Then, rinse the nozzle under a tap, followed by cleaning with a cloth. Use a cloth to clean the inside of the water tank gasket. Once cleaned, refit the nozzle by pushing it into place. Use a cloth to wipe around the seals on both the tank and door. Ensure they are cleaned thoroughly before refitting the water tank. Ensure that the water tank is pushed firmly back into place so that the seals do not have any gaps. For further information, please visit www.bush-support.com.